Hi, I'm Nels Jensen with the Business Press. We're here at the Riverside Chamber Mega Mixer, and we are visiting now with Alfonso Lara from Premier Service Bank.
That's correct.
With offices in Riverside and Corona. Right now, you're Vice President and Commercial Loan Officer.
That is correct.
So, how's the commercial loan business? What's up over at Premier?
Well, we are business as usual. Still trying to lend money in our community, in the Riverside Corona community, San Bernardino as well. And we're just trying to expand our community reach in those markets.
Right. So there's this sentiment out there that banks really aren't in the interest of lending unless you actually have all your T's crossed and I's dotted and all those sort of cliches. Is that in fact the case? How do you make your case for lending at this point in time?
Well, we look at every business on a case-by-case basis. The sentiment at the bank is that we're still doing business as usual. Is still trying to get into our markets by lending to those businesses that have a need, and so that's what we'd like to continue to do even in this down economy.
Right. So now when customers come to you, are they better prepared than they were, say, 5 or 6 years ago?
Definitely. I think customers are really aware of what's going on nowadays with the economy, and they are more prepared to make their presentation to the bank and why the bank should lend to them.
Right. So is that just natural market forces at work? Is it lessons learned? Is it just these are the survivors? Why do you think that is?
I think it is part of a little bit of both. I think lessons learned, and people are getting a little bit more savvy. They're getting more informed by just their own experience in business.
So now several community banks have exited the scene, which provides you with an opportunity, right?
Absolutely.
What do you make of that opportunity? How do you frame that opportunity?
Well, we try to present the bank as a sound institution that is involved in the community and is going to continue to be involved in the community for a long time to come. And there's a lot of banks that get bought out and eaten up by other institutions, and people unfortunately don't like the change. And we have individuals that have been with the company for a long time and are doing their part in the community, and that's how we kind of get the message out.
Right. So you guys still pretty bullish on the region?
Yeah, I think the region, even though it's been hit hard, we still got a lot of resilient businesses, and I think we'll make a pretty good comeback in the years to come.
Right. Okay. I'm Nels Jensen with the Business Press. Been visiting with Alfonso Lara of Premier Service Bank. We'll be back with another guest in a minute.